Hey guys, if you're watching this, that means that you just got done watching my daily update video. The last slide on that. Oh, I'm tired. Okay, the last slide on that was I told you guys to come to this assignment and to watch the video. I'm going to make this really short. I'm just going to give you an update on how I want you guys to do your new journal entries. So journal entries will still be submitted the same way through Google Doc. You click on My Documents, you click Edit, and then it opens up your own Google Doc, and then you press Submit Assignment when you're done writing. This is what it pops up with. This is what it shows when you guys open up your document. So now you see where it says student name, teacher name, subject, dash, section, day, month, year. You guys are supposed to delete that. Those are labels. I'm still getting kids that are still, I've gone over this 3 times, they're still putting their name out to the side. You're supposed to delete that. Another thing I'm seeing kids do, which I don't know why, but they're seeing last name up here in MLA format. I didn't make this up, by the way. This is not something that I created. This is something that is used by universities, and it's universally used to do writing for English classes. It's a universal formatting. They see last name and they think that if they put their last name up there, they don't have to put their last name next to their student, like up here. That's not true. You still have to put your first and last name here, guys. This is an official document. You need to, if you are only putting your first name, I don't know why. Every single year, I guess in middle school, you guys were used to only putting your first name. You guys need to put your first and last name, especially for this class. So your first and last name goes here, and then your last name goes here. That's just the way it is. That's MLA format. So I'm going to give you an example. On your assignment for today, your reflection was write half a page reflection on quarter 1 or 125 words. Write about what you did correctly, what worked. So when you go to this assignment, it's going to look like this. From now on, you will only need to do 1 entry per week. Some weeks you will have a prompt, and some weeks you will have a free write. You can write anywhere from half a page to 1 full page for these now. You don't need to write 2 full pages. Only half of a 1 page or 1 whole page. Or minimum 125 words. For your assignment today, write half a page reflection on quarter 1, 125 words. You can talk about what you did correct. This is from that slide that you just read. So it's the same thing. So here's your prompt. It's in the directions. I'm not going to read it again. Then you're going to open up your journal, and it's going to look like this. So I'm going to write my own. All right. So here's my document. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pretend like my name is not what it is. I'm going to use my maiden name. Okay. So I would put student name. This is what you need to do. You need to delete that, and you need to write your name. So my student name I'm going to use is my maiden name. I'm going to say Ariana, and then my last name, my maiden name is Bertulli. Teacher's name, you delete it. You do not put Ariana Swanson. I have a title. I am your teacher. You do not call me by my first name. You would call me Mrs. Swanson. Do not write Ariana Swanson. The next thing is subject dash section. So your subject, depending on if you're English, you would either write English 1 if you're English 1 on level, or you would write English 1 pre-AP if you're AP. Where does this section come from? If you go to Schoology, you will see it right here. The section for this class, let's see, your section is A. If you're in English 1A day, you're English 1-A. If you are in English 1B day, you are English 1-B. If you are English 1 pre-AP B2, your section is B2. And if you are in English 1 pre-AP B1, you are B1. So I would simply put, let's do English 1 pre-AP B2. I'm going to put B2 is my section. You are B day, section 2. So when you guys are sending me messages and I ask you what your section is, that's what I'm talking about, because I don't know what gradebook to look at. So look at the section on Schoology. And then day, today is the 20th. The month is October. And the year is 2020. You have to write it out because the day comes before the month. is no need for a, there's no need for a comma. Then I'm going to go up here. You double click here. I've already formatted the heading for you. I'm sorry, the header. You put your last name. I'm going to put Bertulli, and that is a page number. So if you were to go to like page 2, like let's just, it would automatically put Bertulli 2 because I already formatted that page for you, right? Oh, did I just, okay, hold on. I lost my work on here. Okay, so once you have your heading and your header done, it should look like this: student name, teacher's name, subject section, the MLA formatting date, and then your header up here. You just double click that. That's how you do that. You're gonna write. So I wrote my own already. I just copy pasted it. I just didn't want to write it in front of you, but I've already done it. So here's my journal entry. And you're going, that's not half a page, that's like quarter of a page. You're right, it's like a quarter of a page. However, if I double space this, which is what you're supposed to do, it equals about half a page. Now, how in the world do you know if you've done 125 words minimum? Am I expecting you to go through with your finger and count every single word? No. I'm not expecting you to do that. What you do, this is how you do this, and this is how I'm going to check. You highlight what you wrote, go to Tools, and you click on Word Count. And look how many words this is. I just wrote 151. That's a 100. Boom. Display word count while writing, you can change that. So how do I do that again? You go to Tools, you go to Word Count, display word count while typing, and it will show you at the bottom left-hand corner what your word count is. If I highlight this paragraph, it's 151. In total with the heading and the header, it's 162. Almost done. Highlight the entire thing. We're going to double space. You see right here, this little thing, it has like, when I hover over it, it shows line spacing. You click line spacing, and then you click double, and boom, there's half a page, a little over half a page. There you go. That's it. So that's how you format, and go ahead and do your reflection. It's due Friday. Remember, if you don't turn it in by Friday, it will be a 0, and I will be sending out parent contacts on Monday for missing work for work that's due Friday. So just make sure you get this done as soon as possible, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Okay, bye.